How should our self-cleaning filter be installed after it arrives at the customer's site? The following points need to be noted. First, there is a water flow direction indicator on the filter. When installing, it should be installed in the marked direction so that the electric valve is in a horizontal position to ensure thorough sewage discharge. Second, the sewage pipe is installed at the outlet of the electric valve, and a flange connection is required. The length of the sewage pipe should not exceed 15 meters, and there should be no upward slope angle to avoid back pressure. Third, in order to ensure uninterrupted water supply to the system during shutdown and maintenance, the filter should be installed in series. In addition, in the pipeline system, cut-off valves should be set at the inlet and outlet and bypass, such as stop valve, ball valve, butterfly valve, etc. Fourth, the self-cleaning filter cannot be installed in front of the pump. Otherwise, it will cause problems with negative pressure use.